Hello guys, bonjour, it's Estelle. Today I'm showing you how to upcycle two old onesies into one much larger, cuter and so unique. First, we start with two onesies that are too small or stained or just in need of some ooh la la. Cut the top one as low as possible to maximize the size of your top. Throw the scrap away. For the bottom, use the height that you want. Here, I keep the scrap because it's a lot of fabric. Before I stitch these two parts together, I like to secure them with pins. First, I make sure that the opening at the bottom is at the front of the shirt. Then I flip the bottom right side against right side and secure both fabric with pins. I make sure the side seams are aligned. I started making these onesies when I couldn't find them in larger sizes. Also, my daughter was a scooter and she needed a lot of onesies. Now it's time to sew. I'm using a very basic machine. I start with a stop stitch using the reverse button for a second. Then I use a simple straight stitch, no stretch stitch, no zigzag, no overlock, but I use a very tight, very small stitch. And I stretch my fabric around my machine arm as much as possible. This fabric will not fray, so no need to make a zigzag. It will be too thick and scratchy on baby skin. Time to turn over. At this stage, I like to wash the garment to get it back into shape. Look at it when it's all nice and pressed. And look at this one, how cute it is. And this one, I reused the extra fabric from my first project to add extra inches in the middle.